the hip hinge is basically a fundamental human movement, and it's what a swing is. So if you learn this movement, this is what a swing is. So the first drill is I'll just sort of show you what a hip hinge looks like. So the first drill is simply we're going to use our hands, we're going to chop our hips, feet shoulders apart wherever is comfortable for now. You're going to chop your hips, push your hips back, stand up tall. And we'll go through 10 of these. It's just practicing bending from the hips. Drive your hips forward. Yeah. Keep practicing at your own pace. It's just kind of getting that chop and pop, it's called. So chop your hips, yeah, and pop. Yeah, you do want your weight sort of back on your heels too. That's it. Good. So chop and pop. So we've got people doing versions of a hip hinge. Some people a bit shallow, some people a bit deep. So what we're going to do is find out what your right depth is. And I'll get Kurt to sort of demonstrate as well, because this is how to practice a little bit. And we'll probably break into partners for this one to find a bit of wall space. We'll figure it out. So find your partner. You're basically trying to walk as far away from the wall as you can and try and touch your hips on the wall. Find a bit of space. We'll clear a bit out. And spread yourselves all along. Each we're going to just do the stick drill with each other. The first thing that some people we saw happening was their knees were coming forward. So that's more like a squat movement. What we do to try and stop that is your partner's going to hold the stick and he's not allowed to touch the stick. So he's going to hinge on the hips and not try and touch the stick. That's it. And you'll go forward and just keep practicing like that. So that's the first thing we saw. The other thing we saw would be people not bending their knees enough. So they're drifting away. So if that happens, then we'll come around and kind of point out which is what. But you want to hold the stick on their knee. Yeah, so you want to keep his knees on the stick. Because if he drifts back, it means something wrong is happening. So it's just kind of learning movement. Let's get in your partners. We've got plenty of concrete sticks, so that's good.
Making sure those knees aren't drifting. Do that before you even pick up the kettlebell to do some kicks, okay? Don't think that you have to go straight to the kettlebell swing without mastering this fundamental, because this is so important and it's going to help you improve everything along the way. Even today, I will still do this on days when I'm tired and things like that and I need to reset. I will do 100 here before I pick up the kettlebell swing. It just gets the body in the right frame of mind to do good swings, okay?
Of course, yeah, practicing the rest and things like that. Yeah, Legend has it. I had to do I had to do hundreds of these things. Just for some reason, in Hinge, when I first learned it, just didn't compute when I tried to swing, because the swing's very fast. So I had to do 100 of those. You know, just as my warm up, I would do 10, 20 or so every day, every time, just to kind of really nail it. And now I do it in my dreams. It's good. Alright, so while we're progressing forward, some of you might need to spend more time at that step. We're going to go through all the steps today.